So I want set up campaigns for Google AdWords. I already have one. I started yesterday myself. But I want you to do keyword research on my competitors so we can find correct words to use for this campaign. I also need to set up Google Pixel so we can retarget. I also want setup of Meta so we can do Instagram and Facebook marketing.
Okay,
And
this is Paravi and Mr. Farhad and me. We are teammate and we are a digital marketing expert and we do Facebook ads, Google ads, website on-page SEO and YouTube marketing related work. So our team member has already talked with you on Fiverr about Facebook ads and Google ads, and you already place an order on Fiverr. So we need some informations from you to run Facebook ads and Google ads. So basically, to run Google ads and Facebook ads, we need your targeted locations, targeted audience, targeted gender, and your daily budget and your ad account access. So if you give these things to us, then definitely we can run an Facebook ad campaign, I mean Meta ad campaign and Google ad campaign. And we are ad expert. We know how to target exact targeted audience and how to get more conversion from Meta ads and Facebook ads. So after finishing the meeting, you just send your targeted, what is your targeted locations and your targeted gender and what is your daily budget and your ad account access, and then we can run from our side and everything you can audit from your ad account, and we will also give you an estimated idea which is provided by Google. Okay, sir?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so if you have anything to know or anything, you can ask us, no problem.
Sounds good.
Okay. So after finishing the meeting, you just send this information. After finishing the meeting, you just send these informations. Then further communication will going through Fiverr, because Fiverr has some restrictions to take Gmail address, give Gmail address, and many restrictions Fiverr has. So we will continue communicate with you through your WhatsApp or Gmail. Can you provide your WhatsApp or Gmail right here, chat box?
I can do that.
Okay.
Moment.
And beside Google Ads and Facebook Ads, you want to track your Google Tag Manager and Facebook Meta Pixels.
So I want set up campaigns for Google AdWords. I already have one. I started yesterday myself. But I want you to do keyword research on my competitors so we can find correct words to use for this campaign. I also need to set up Google Pixel so we can retarget. I also want setup of Meta so we can do Instagram and Facebook marketing and campaigns on that.
Okay. So no problem. We will do that very well, and definitely after doing that, we will show you and we will show all of our work proof. No problem.
Sounds good.
Okay.
How long time do you estimate before I give you from product?
Okay, you just give us 5 days time period on Fiverr, but if need longer, then we'll inform you. No problem.
Okay, I already give access to the email that
Okay.
Far Abdul sent me. So he
Okay.
already have access to my Shopify. He have access to my Google AdWords. He have access to my Facebook AdWords, everything. So
Okay.
if you need me to add somebody else, please message me on WhatsApp. I will add their account to the users.
Okay.
Okay?
No problem. Yeah. Okay. So bye for now. And if need anything, then we will communicate with you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks for your
Thank you.
time and bye for now. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.